Are you ready to unleash your inner creator and dive into the future of 3D printing? Picture this, a world where the only limit is your imagination, where designs take shape in front of your eyes, and where creating anything from personalized gadgets to professional-grade prototypes is as easy as pressing a button. Today, we'll unveil the top 5 best 3D printers that stand above the rest. From speed demons to precision masters, there's something for every creator in this lineup. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. Prusa MK4. Let's kick things off with a powerhouse, the Prusa MK4. Known for its unmatched versatility, this printer has become a cornerstone in the 3D printing community, and it's easy to see why. Building upon the wildly popular Prusa i3 series, the MK4 delivers the reliability and ease of use that Prusa fans have come to expect. Only now, it's even better. The MK4 comes equipped with a sturdy frame and a 32-bit control board that allows for more precise and faster processing of prints. What does that mean for you? You can tackle more complex designs without worrying about lag or loss of quality. And with its automatic mesh bed leveling system, gone are the days of fiddling with bed calibration. This feature alone saves hours of frustration and ensures that every print sticks perfectly to the print bed. But let's talk about speed. The Prusa MK4 is known for churning out high-quality prints at impressive speeds without compromising detail. Whether you're printing a simple model or a highly detailed prototype, the MK4 handles it all with remarkable efficiency. And for the more tech-savvy users, the open-source nature of this printer means endless possibilities for upgrades and customizations. You can tweak it to suit your specific needs, whether that's printing with exotic materials or adding new features down the line. If you're someone who values precision, speed, and customizability in your 3D printing journey, the Prusa MK4 is the one to beat. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3SE. Let's talk about the Creality Ender 3 V3SE, the budget-friendly beast that punches way above its weight. Creality has been a dominant force in the 3D printing market for years, and the Ender 3 V3SE proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get excellent performance. Priced affordably, this printer is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or anyone who's looking to get into 3D printing without breaking the bank. Despite its budget price, the Ender 3 V3SE packs a punch in terms of features. One standout is the upgraded direct drive extruder, which improves print quality and allows for more consistent extrusion, especially when working with flexible filaments. This feature, typically seen in high-end models, helps create cleaner and more detailed prints without the constant fear of clogs or filament jams. The V3SE also features an improved glass bed that ensures better adhesion and fewer failed prints. No more frustrating moments where your model doesn't stick to the print bed. Plus, the heated bed speeds up the printing process by quickly warming up to optimal temperatures, making it perfect for materials like PLA and ABS. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some high-end models, this 3D printer stands out for its sheer dependability and ease of use. Even if you're new to the world of 3D printing, you'll find the Ender 3V3SE surprisingly easy to set up, thanks to its intuitive user interface and detailed community support. When it comes to getting the most bang for your buck, this printer is the clear winner. Number 3. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. Now, if you're someone who's all about cutting-edge technology and blistering speed, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is about to blow your mind. This machine isn't just fast, it's revolutionary. The X1 Carbon stands out from the crowd with its ultra-fast printing speeds, clocking in at a jaw-dropping 500 millimeters per second. That's right, 500 millimeters per second. Most 3D printers struggle to balance speed with precision, but the X1 Carbon achieves both effortlessly, allowing you to turn around complex projects in record time without sacrificing quality. One of the most talked about features of the X1 Carbon is its automatic material system. This genius feature allows you to switch between multiple filaments and colors during a single print, offering seamless transitions that open up a whole new world of multi-material designs. Whether you're printing functional parts with flexible and rigid materials, or creating vibrant multicolor models, the AMS takes the hassle out of filament changes and does it all automatically. Innovation doesn't stop there. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon comes with an AI-powered camera that monitors your prints in real time. Imagine this: Your printer can detect if something's going wrong mid-print, like a layer shift or filament error, and it will pause or alert you before you waste time and material on a failed print. It's the kind of high-tech safety net that sets this printer apart, making it a favorite among both professionals and serious hobbyists. Number 2, Anycubic Photon M5. When it comes to resin printing, the Anycubic Photon M5 is in a class of its own. Resin printing is all about precision, and the Photon M5 delivers stunning detail that puts it among the best in its category. This 3D printer is a favorite for anyone looking to create highly detailed models, such as miniatures, jewelry, or even medical prototypes. With its 8K resolution, you can expect razor-sharp accuracy, making every layer nearly invisible to the naked eye. The secret behind the Photon M5's incredible detail is its 10-inch monochrome LCD screen. Unlike traditional FDM printers, resin printers use UV light to cure resin layer by layer, and the Photon M5 does this with extraordinary precision. This results in models with incredibly smooth surfaces and crisp edges, perfect for users who demand perfection in their prints. One of the best parts about the Anycubic Photon M5 is its generous build volume. With 245 by 197 by 120 millimeters of space to work with, you're not just limited to small trinkets. You can print larger, more ambitious projects. And despite its high-tech design, the Photon M5 remains user-friendly, making it an excellent option for both beginners and seasoned pros. Number 1, Snapmaker 2.0 A350T. And now, for the creators who want more than just a 3D printer, we bring you the Snapmaker 2.0 A350T. A machine that's truly in a league of its own. It's not just a 3D printer, it's a 3-in-1 workhorse. The A350T combines 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving into one sleek, modular machine that opens up endless possibilities for makers. First, let's talk about its 3D printing capabilities. The Snapmaker A350T has an impressive build volume of 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters, allowing you to print larger models with ease. The high-quality all-metal frame ensures durability and precision for every print, whether you're working on prototypes or decorative art pieces. It's also equipped with an auto-leveling feature, ensuring that your prints come out flawlessly every time. But here's where the Snapmaker 2.0 A350T shines. Its multifunctionality. Not only can it 3D print like a pro, but it can also laser engrave on wood, leather, and even metal, allowing you to personalize and add intricate details to your creations. And if you're into woodworking or crafting with harder materials, the CNC carving function is a game changer. You can create detailed carvings on wood, acrylic, and other soft materials, all with the same machine, and there you have it, the top 5 best 3D printers. So which one will you choose to bring your ideas to life? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech and creativity. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.